Dale Carnegie said, develop success from failures. Discouragement and failures are the surest stepping stones to success. These are tough times for the sales professionals. Selling has only become more and more difficult. These times are testing the greatness that sits within every sales professional. Why? Because we have to today either sell virtually or remotely. We can't meet our prospects or our customers, yet we have to establish the credibility for ourselves, our company and our products in this virtual world. The customers have also become more and more demanding. Why? Because every penny for them counts and they want to extract the most out of every investment that they make. Introducing the Dale Carnegie Sales Series, which comprises of 3 live online sales programs, which are exclusively designed to address the challenges of the current sales environment. These programs are based on the time-tested Dale Carnegie sales model, which is an amalgamation of the sales process and customer relationships. The first program in this series is how to cold call and build new customers. In these times, we could be going to our existing trusted customer relationships, but the only way to grow our business is by reaching out to new prospects through cold calling. In this program, we look at how to get past the gatekeepers. We also learn a variety of techniques for prospecting, and we also look at how we can get referrals from our existing customers and a lot more. Our second program in this series is compelling sales presentations. It is not easy to deliver a sales pitch either via telephone or virtual meetings. Projecting our confidence through these platforms is also not easy. In this program, we look at how we can have a structure to our sales presentation. We also learn ways in which we can use the voice modulation to come across as very impactful. We also learn the probing and listening techniques to make our sales presentations interactive. And the third program in this series is understand what makes a customer buy and negotiate a winning close. Customers may get convinced our products and they may also be motivated to buy. But in spite of that, they may sometimes not take the decision. In this program, we look at how to deal with this challenge by appealing to customers' buying motives and by painting a word picture in their mind. We also look at how we can read the buying and warning signals. And we also look at the Dale Carnegie all-win negotiations model to create win-win outcomes from our sale. So, enroll now for the entire series or pick any program that is most relevant to you. Click on the registration link in the status.